Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you're having a wonderful week today, and I really thank you so much for always watching my videos. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you great ideas for beautiful coily braids hairstyle every woman should use. I would love you to watch this video because it will be inspiring. Also, please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos like this. Coily braids are a versatile and stunning hairstyle, perfect for adding volume and texture to any look. They can be tailored to suit various occasions, from casual outings to formal events, making them an excellent choice for every woman. Here are some creative ideas for coily braids that you can try. Coily box braids are a classic protective style that can last for weeks. These individual braids often incorporate coily hair extensions for added length and volume, giving a stylish and low maintenance look. To achieve this, section your hair into small parts, attach coily extension and braid from the roots to the ends, securing with an elastic band. Now, goddess braids with coily ends offer a bold and feminine look, perfect for special occasions. These thicker braids are styled close to the scalp with loose, coily ends for a playful touch. Great goddess braids use larger sections of hair and coil the ends with a coiling wand or flexi rods for a stunning contrast. Now for coily crochet braids provide a quick and easy way to achieve voluminous coils. This technique involves cornrowing your natural hair and attaching coily extensions with a crochet needle. This style is ideal for those seeking a full head of coils without spending hours braiding. Coily Fulani braids blend traditional Fulani braid patterns with the softness of coils. This culturally rich and stylish look involves braiding the hair in the traditional Fulani style and coiling the ends. Add beads and accessories to complete the look. Half-up coily braids combine elegance and playfulness, making them suitable for both casual and formal settings. Braid the top half of your hair and leave the ends loose and coily. Coil the bottom half of your hair to enhance the style and accessorize with hair clips or flowers. Lastly, coily braided ponytails offer a sleek and practical option, perfect for active days or polished events. Gather your hair into a ponytail, braid it and coil the loose ends. For added flair, wrap a section of hair around the base of the ponytail to conceal the elastic band. So these are various styles and ideas of different coily braids hairstyle. There are much more different types of coily braid style, and for this video I have just given you the list of what I want you to hear. So now take your time to watch the video and feel the beauty of these hairstyles. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell for more video updates. Bye.